Go see Tracy. Go up, stand up, and go see her. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! I'm gonna follow him around. Close the door. Close the door. Good. Come in here. Can you stand back up? Can you stand up? Let me see you stand up. Woo! Yeah! Oh. I love it. Brody, good job. That was hilarious, like a weightlifter. Is that your ocean book? Tracy will read that to you. Go take it to Aunt Tracy.
Read the ocean book?
Wow, show her. Can you take it to her? Take her the ocean book. Take it to Tracy. And she'll read it to you. Yeah. I'll help you.
Aww.
Here, I'll help you. Stand up. Stand up. She's gonna read it to you. Stand up. Oh, he doesn't understand. She's gonna read it.
In the big ocean.
He's getting tired.
The big ocean.
You want me to help you?
Frog.
Here. Good.
That is it.
Yeah.
I'm going to travel. I'll jump from one
Yeah.
to the next until I reach the sea.
You gonna come with me, we're gonna be crazy
Woo.
like a river.
But our pond is big enough.
We gonna flow through
Frog.
crisscross on
Come here.